District Rural Development Agency Ramanathapuram presents ARIYANENDAL, a model saturation village panchayat for grey water management. Ramanathapuram is a coastal district in southern Tamilan. ARIYANENDAL village panchayat is in Paramakudi block of district. It has 761 households with 2,560 populations engaged in agricultural activities. The panchayat generates daily 100 kiloliters of grey water. There was no proper wastewater disposal mechanism available in the village. Hence, the grey water was stagnating in streets and open spaces, and water bodies causing major inconvenience to the villagers. ARIYANENDAL village was selected by District Rural Development Agency during the year 2020 and 2021 under grey water management as a pilot village panchayat for saturation. Under grey water management system, the village wastewater map was drawn to identify sources for all 761 households, and street-wise source mapping was done with the help of Swathch Bharat motivators, sanitary workers and villagers. A need assessment survey was conducted in the village. District Rural Development Agency converged with flagship programs like MGNREGS and Swathch Bharat Mission Grameen, 83 kitchen gardens, and constructed 285 numbers of individual choke pits at the cost of 24,22,500 rupees.
என் பேர் இந்துமதி, அரியநந்தல் ஊராட்சி. தண்ணி வெளியில் போச்சு, குளிக்கிற தண்ணி, பாத்ரூம் தண்ணி எல்லா தண்ணியுமே ரோட்டுக்கு போச்சு. கொசுக்கள் நிறையா கிடச்சி எங்களுக்கு. இப்போ கவர்மெண்ட்லேருந்து வந்து எங்களுக்கு எல்லா சலுகையும் தண்ணி கஷ்டம் இல்லாமல் வெளியில் குளிக்கிற தண்ணி, பாத்ரூம் தண்ணி எல்லாமே தெருக்கு போகாமல் தண்ணி தேங்காத அளவுக்கு இப்போ தொட்டி கட்டி உரை இறக்கி பைப் போட்டு அதை பூமிக்குள்ள விட்டுருக்கா எங்களுக்கு. இப்போ கொசுக்கெலாம் எதுவும் இல்லை, நோய் தொட்டு எதுவுமே இல்லை, நல்லா இருக்குது, நீட்டாக பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கா கவர்மெண்ட்டில் இருந்து.
2,350 meters of pipeline drainages to vertical choke pits were constructed at the cost of 64,75,000 rupees. 3 horizontal choke pits at the end of drainages were constructed at the cost of 3,90,000 rupees. 9 number of vertical choke pits were constructed at the cost of 11,40,000 rupees. Numbers of community choke pits were constructed at public tapes, overhead tanks, and other public places under MGNREGS scheme for the year 2020 and 2021. Thus, out of 761 households, 368 households were provided with individual choke pits and kitchen gardens, while 50 households were given pipeline drainage to the horizontal choke pits, and 343 households with pipeline drainage to vertical choke pits. By all these proactive initiatives taken by the District Rural Development Agency, today ARIYANENDAL has become the model village panchayat with 100% end-to-end management of grey water. With ongoing Jal Jeevan mission project in the village, ARIYANENDAL village has now got 100% access to safe drinking water and 100% clean and safe environment. An unpleasant ARIYANENDAL village on National Highway has been transformed into a green and beautiful model saturation village panchayat for grey water management for the year 2020 and 2021.